Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out workbook statistics on your Excel or of your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file, and when you are done, tap on this review button at the top of the screen below the search bar, and then go to the left side again and tap on this workbook statistics button, and here you can find the statistics of the current sheet you are at, including the end of sheet, cells with data, tables, formulas, charts and objects. Then you can check out the workbook information, including sheets, number of cells with data, tables, formulas and charts. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.